In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video intro onto your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to add engaging content to your site and capture the attention of your visitors right from the start. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. Once you're on the login page, you'll see the option to continue with Google. Go ahead and click on Continue with Google to simplify the login process, especially if your Google account is linked to your Squarespace account. Once you are successfully logged into Squarespace, you'll need to select which of your websites you want to work on. Choose your desired website from the dashboard and click on it to open it up. Now it's time to enter the editing mode. Navigate to the edit section of your website. You can find this by clicking on the link that typically appears in your website preview or settings area. This will bring you to the page where you can make changes and add new content to your site. Once you're in the editing mode, look for the option to add a block to your page. Blocks are the building units of your Squarespace website where you can add content like text, images, or in this case a video. Click on the option that says Add Block to begin. Next, you'll see various options for different types of blocks. Since we want to add a video, search for the video option and select it. This will allow you to insert a video block onto your page where you can customize it further. With the video block added, locate the pencil icon associated with it. Clicking on this icon will open the settings for your video block, enabling you to make adjustments to how the video is displayed on your site. Now you'll want to add your YouTube intro video. Click on Add a Video within the video block settings. This will prompt you to enter the source of your video. Click on the Upload File option to select your video file from your computer. Alternatively, you can enter a URL if your video is hosted online. For this tutorial, let's focus on uploading directly from your files. Once your video is uploaded, there are two important options you might want to consider enabling. These are turning on the loop video option and resizing the video according to your website's layout. Looping can be particularly useful if you want the video to continue playing seamlessly for your visitors. Finally, after making all these adjustments, make sure to click on Save. This will apply all your changes and ensure that your video is properly embedded on your Squarespace site. And there you have it, your YouTube video intro is now ready to captivate visitors as they explore your website.